Good morning, students. Today we will read History lesson number 8, Religious Beliefs and Popular Movement. In this chapter, we will read about the Bhakti movement began and gained popularity throughout the Indian subcontinent, and we will read about the features of Bhakti movement and features of the Sufism and how it organized. And we will read about the medieval Bhakti movements and Sufis are together regarded. Right? When the medieval period of Indian history was marked as a fusion of numerous cultures, streams, and in these new religious ideas, beliefs, and they also came, and some religious teachers also emphasize intention, devotions to the God, and now some new mythologies, cults, religious rituals also came in this time medieval period, and some Hindus and tribal groups also led to the emergence of Puranic Hindus, right? And in this time there was a two movements was there. Now one was the Bhakti movement and another was the Sufis movement. And the Bhakti movement and Sufis both were the two other popular religious movement and that gained in importance during this period. Now we will read about the new ideas affected the religious ideologies, beliefs, rituals, cults of Hindus and Islams. Now Bhakti movement. Bhakti movement क्या था? The Bhakti movement, word was derived from the Bhakt. In Sanskrit word bhaj refers to devotion to a supreme entity with the exceptional power or knowledge. And in that any meditation between the worship and God by priest was excluded. Right now it was the origin of the Bhakti movement can be tracked back to the Brahminical and Buddhist tradition, and in this time Upanishad, Vedas, Bhagavad Gita speak to devotion of the one supreme God. They all were हमारे जो उपनिषद से और वेदास भगवद गीता they all were talking about the one God, right? The socio-economic milieu of the period led to the emergence of Bhakti movement. In this movement artisans जो थे they were attracted to the Bhakti movement due to its assimilative characters, right? Now in this Bhakti movement rejection of the caste system complex rituals added to the popularity of this movement. Like in this some saints were there, Kabir, Guru Nanak, Tulsidas, Chaitanya also questioned to the oppression of the common people by local king or higher caste in Bhakti movement in the South India and was disseminated by the Alvaras and Nairas. अब हम पढ़ेंगे अल्वाराज और नायराज कौन थे बेटा. जो अल्वाराज थे that were devoted to the Vishnu and the Nairas they were devoted to the Shiva. In this time some preachers also Bhakti movement South India की तरफ से थे and the people from any caste could belongs to any from any caste could join the order. यानी कि इसमें ये था कि कोई किसी भी कास्ट से रिलीजियस हो they can join it. There were women also, women's भी थी and जो ये saints से they were popular with the masses because they preach in local languages such as Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. Now आदि शंकराचार्य, अब इसमें देखेंगे कि सबकी जो टीचिंग्स थी बहुत सिंपल और इजी थी. नाउ आदि शंकराचार्य ही वॉज बॉर्न इन टू ए पुअर येट पाइजन ब्राह्मण फैमिली केरला. शंकराचार्य इज द रिमेंबर्ड एज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट हिंदू थिंकर who conducted re-examination and reformation of the Vedic philosophy as a young boy. He showed a high degree of scholarship by mastering 4 Vedas and जो इसकी जो teachings थी laid stress on the significance of Upanishadic knowledge in the good God. Thus his philosophy is also जो इनकी जो आदि शंकराचार्य जी थे जो इनकी philosophy थी it was known as the Vedanta also and he laid the foundation of 4 मठ्स जो थे जो इनके जो 4 मठ्स थे वो कर्नाटका, गुजरात, उड़ीसा, उत्तराखंड में थे. नाउ रामानुज द वैष्णव सेंट थे. ये जो रामानुज थे वैष्णव सेंट थे जो इनका जन्म हुआ था तमिलनाडु में हुआ था 11th सेंचुरी में हुआ था एंड ही वॉज द वन ऑफ द की प्रोपोनेंट ऑफ द भक्ति फिलॉसफी और जो ये बिलीव करते थे इक्वलिटी में बिलीव करते थे एंड ही ऑल्सो स्पोकन अगेंस्ट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द फॉरबिडिंग लोअर कास्ट के लिए इन्होंने बोला था कि उन लोगों को भी मैं मंदिरों में एंट्री इन टू द टेम्पल. एंड द रामानुज जो थे he was also united with the supreme god and the remained distinct.